Fix in 5. Let's decode P0476. Exhaust backpressure control valve range / performance problem. Sensor CI. Causes, symptoms, the fix, and what it costs. This is the part where you stop reading and call someone. First, the symptoms. Check engine light illuminated, reduced engine power or limp mode activation, poor fuel economy, black smoke from exhaust, rough idle, or stalling. Now the most likely causes. Exhaust backpressure control valve stuck or binding. Valve solenoid malfunction or electrical fault. Wiring harness damage or loose connectors to valve solenoid. Control module signal circuit fault. Excessive carbon buildup in valve or passages. How to fix it. Clean or replace exhaust backpressure control valve solenoid. Repair or replace damaged wiring harness to solenoid. Tighten or replace loose electrical connectors. Replace valve solenoid coil if resistance is out of specification. The scanner and parts I'd use are linked below. How common is it? Reported on 0 models. What does it cost? Roughly Euro 85, 180 doing it yourself, or Euro 285, 380 at a workshop. Rates vary by country. People also ask, will P0476 cause my vehicle to fail an emissions test? Yes, an active P0476 fault code will typically cause your vehicle to fail an emissions or smog test, as it triggers the check engine light and indicates a monitored system failure. Quick one for the professionals. TroubleAtlas Pro is your whole workshop in one app. Get cited by AI when drivers nearby look for a pro, fast fault code diagnosis, full vehicle data from the VIN, parts and tire prices, and client management with PDF quotes. And one for the manufacturers. Make a device? Put it to the test. TroubleAtlas runs an independent evaluation on a fixed, public protocol, gives it an honest score out of 10, and an official seal you can license for your own marketing. We test the product, we never sell the score. And every certificate is verifiable on our site. Apply at TroubleAtlas.com/TroubleAtlas certified. That's P0476. The full guide and every related code are on TroubleAtlas. Links below. Subscribe. New fixes every week, and keep your dashboard quiet.